Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 8, continuation of exercise 8.2. Now problem number 6. The time taken in minutes to complete a homework by 8 students in a day are given by 38, 40, 47, 44, 46, 43, 49 and 53. Find the coefficient of variation. This is similar to that problem number 5. Or given that observation, 8 values are given. We are asked to find out CV. For finding CV, you must be knowing the value of arithmetic mean and standard deviation. First, we can find arithmetic mean. That is x bar formula sigma xi by n. Sigma xi means a total of all the 8 observations: 38, 40, 47, 44, 46, 43, 49 plus 53 divided by 8 values are given, so divided by 8. You can add now 3 plus 9, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 8 is 40. Balance 4, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 4, 29 plus 4, 33, 33 plus 3 is 36 divided by 8. If we divide, we will be getting 45. 4 8s are 32, balance 4, 40. 5 8s are 8 5s are 40. That is the value of x bar. Now we can find out the standard deviation. See, 3 columns. First one is xi. Next one di, that is equal to xi minus x bar and di square. Xi, that is given 38, 40, 47, 38, 40, 47, 44, 46, 43, 49 and 53. Now xi minus x bar, xi here 38 minus x bar, that is equal to 45. Like that, 40 minus 45, 47 minus 45, 44 minus 45, 46 minus 45, 43 minus 45, 49 minus 45, 53 minus 45. 38 minus 45, that is equal to minus 7, 40 minus 45, that is minus 5, 47 minus 45, that is equal to 2, 44 minus 45 minus 1, 46 minus 45, that is 1, 43 minus 45 minus 2, 49 minus 45, that is equal to 4, 53 minus 45, that is equal to 9. That is 8. 53 minus 45, that is 8. Okay. Now, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Positive numbers are added, 15. Like that. Minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 7, that is minus 15. So 15 minus 15, that is equal to 0. Sigma di, that is equal to 0. Now di squared. Minus 7 the whole square is 49. Minus 5 whole square is 25. 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 square is 16 and 8 square 64. Now we have to calculate sigma di square. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 4, 24 plus 6, 30, 34. Balance 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 164. Now we can calculate that standard deviation. That is sigma, that is equal to square root of sigma di square divided by n minus sigma di by n the whole square equals square root of sigma di square value is 164, n that is equal to 8 observation given, minus sigma di value is 0. 0 by anything 0, 0 square is 0. Okay, that is equal to, we can divide now, 164 divided by 8. 28s are 160. 28s are 160, you know that. Balance 4. Point. Now 0. 8 5s are 40, remainder 0. That is equal to square root of 20.5. Now we have to find out the square root of 20.5. 20.5, after that we can add n number of zeros. 20, you can go up to 4 only. 4 4s are 16. If we subtract 20 minus 16, that is equal to 4. You have to bring down 2 digits, 15. Put the decimal point here. Multiply 4 by 2, 4 2s are 8. We can go up to 5 times. 5 times, here also 5. 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. So subtract, you will be getting 25. Then bring down 2 more digits, that is 00. Have to consider as 45. 45 into 2, that is equal to 90. We can go up to 2 times. Here also 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 0 0. 2 9s are 18. Subtract 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. 9 minus 0, that is 9. Since we have borrowed 4 will be there. 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 696. So approximately you are getting 4.52. Approximately. Okay. This is the standard deviation. Now we can go for that coefficient of variation, CV. Therefore, CV formula sigma by x bar into 100% equals sigma, that is equal to, now only we got it, that is 4.52, divided by x bar, already we got it, that is 45, into 100%. You know that 4.52 into 100, that is equal to 452 divided by 45% equals. Now we can divide 452 divided by 45. 10 45s are 450, balance 2. 0.0. So we can't divide. Here 20, here 45, so that you had put 0, here also 0. How many times? 4 times only. 4 5s are 20, balance 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. Then 2 0. So 10.04 approximately. This is, you are getting 10.04. Book answer 10.07. For getting that 10.07, we have to proceed in standard deviation. See here, have taken that 4.52, isn't it? I'll proceed now. If you multiply it by 2, 452 into the 2, that is equal to 910. 910. Then 2 more 0. Bring down that. Okay. Now how many times? We can go up to 7 times. Here 7, here also 7. Now you have to multiply. 7 into 9107. 63, 749. Now you have to subtract. We are getting 5851. 5851. This is 9. Okay, 5851 is a reminder. Now 527 here. I put 7 over here. So next step, it can be rounded up to 2 decimal places. Since it is more than 5 or more than 5, 1 can be added with the previous digit. We'll be getting 53 approximately. Okay. Now small correction over here. This is 53. Now 3. Okay. This is also 3. Now 10, 45 balance 3 here. Now 30 cannot be divided, so 0, here also 0. How many times? 6 times. 6 5s are 30, balance 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 300 minus 270, that is equal to 30. Again 0. Again 6 times. 6 into 45, that is equal to 270. Again 30. Again 0. again 6 times, so again you are getting 270. It is going on. Okay, that is the balance. Now you can write 10.066666 percentage. Now it can be rounded off to 2 decimal places. First write 0. 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 with the previous digit. Since it is 6, you can add with that 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. This is the book answer. Even if you consider 4.52, you will be getting that 10.03 it seems. That is also correct. No need to worry. You will be given the mark. So this is the book answer. For getting the book answer, I have to do some modification. That's all. 10.07 percentage. That is the coefficient of variation for the problem number 6. Now problem number, I'll be taking problem number 7 in the next video. Thank you, children.